Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video is about Slug in Django. Here in article models, we pass title, body and slug. Slug with slug field, null equals to false, unique equals to true. Here we need to define get absolute URL. We pass keyword as slug. Now go to admin, import article from models. Here we display list as title and body, and most important is pre-populated fields slug with title. When you write title, slug will automatically return in slug field, and then register your article model here. Now go to views.py. Here you need to import list view and detail view and define the class and pass the model as article and template name where you want to show the list. Also pass the model for detail view and template name where you want to show the detail. Now go to urls.py. Here you need to import your views, and in URL patterns you need to pass slug instead of primary key like this, and this URL for list view. Now let's check in model in browser. Now let's add article. If you write in title here, slug field automatically return here. Our title, slug automatically return here. Now let's add body. And then save. There is the title and body. Now let's check our template views. These templates are here in templates folder. This is for list view, and this one is for detail view. Here is our articles, object oriented programming, and for details click on this. Here is our detail view, and we pass our slug here, object oriented programming instead of primary key like 1 2 3.